Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a playlist of SQL questions we are following. So today we are going to see a lag window functions. This function is quite important because we could solve a lot of problems with the help of this window function. As the name suggests, lag something previous we are going to find with this function. Now suppose we have this given table and we have to find the month over month percentage change in the revenue. These are the running months from October, November, December till March, and these are the revenues. We have to calculate this month by month percentage change. So, for this row, we have to calculate how we are going to do this. If we could have somehow this 1000 here, then I could do this minus this divided by this into 100. This will give me the month change percentage for November. For December, I just need, if I could place this here in this row, then this minus this divided by this. So for every month, somehow I need to put my previous revenue just the side of that column. Suppose if I could create previous revenue column and I could place like 1010 here, 1010 here, 1035 here, 1100 here, and this here. Then calculating the month by month percentage is quite easy. I have to just do some basic mathematical stuff. This minus this divided by this into 100. So to create a column like previous revenue, we need to take the help of lag function. And we will see precisely this in our data grid now. Let's move to data grid. So let's check our table revenue. Very simple revenue. I need to create a drive table. I need to create a new row called previous revenue. How we will see, let's see with the lag function, lag revenue over, as I already said, we have to use over in all our Windows function. Order by ID ascending, and if as previous revenue. If I check this, we are able to do this, see, the way we wanted. The column we are able to add now. This is our drive table. Now we have to just do some operations over this drive table. We have to wrap this query like this. Select star from and X. This is the way we have to cover the drive table to perform further operations on the just added column. Now what I have to do is quite easy now. X dot previous revenue minus X dot revenue. Sorry, I have to do just like this. Divided by X dot previous revenue. Sorry, revenue only. And I have to multiply overall by 100. And this will become my percentage change. Let me just little bit down here and let's see our query. Are we able to achieve this or not? See, we are able to achieve, but this we are able to achieve this. Suppose for the month of November, we have the percentage of only 0.99. For the December, we have 2.4 percentage. For the January, we have 5 percentage. February, we have 6 percentage, and for the March, approximately 6 again. But suppose now I want to just check the percentage change within a year itself. Like only for the 2015 calculate, for the 2016 calculate separately. Of course, this can be solved very easily. We have to just provide the partition by. Since I have not provided a partition by here, the whole window is the size of the window is the whole table. Now the size of the window, as soon as I enter this partition by, month. Now, sorry, year, I think, year. Now there will be two windows now of size 3 each. This will be my first window, and this will be my second window. Let's see again what this will return to us. We have an syntax error somewhere down the line. I think I have not run properly. Now you could see clearly. Let's see, for this window size, of course the first one there will be null here. Similarly for 2016, because this is the window size and the first element will be null because there is nothing to compare for this window size, and of course so the percentage will be null, and then from there on we are able to calculate the percentage. So we have able to calculate the month by month percentage change in the whole table, or also we could divide that table into different window size and then calculate the month by month change. Hope you got the gist here. If you like the content, please like, please subscribe, and please share to all your SQL friends who wants to clear the SQL interviews. We are going to solve a lot of lead code questions in this playlist. Thanks for watching.